salad greens go bad after just a few days? No worries, I'm going to show you how to make those greens last. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to lay a paper towel down into the plastic container that I have, and I'm going to layer the salad greens inside that. The purpose of this is to absorb the extra moisture that there is inside the salad greens. This is a mixture of kale, spinach and chard and some carrots. So you can figure this out, eyeball it and do what you feel is appropriate. Then I'm going to fold the paper towel down and create one layer. Then on the top of that, I'm going to add another layer of greens. And I'm going to fold this back. If you find any that is rotten or that's not fit well, then you can remove that. Then I'm going to fold this back, then add one more layer. When the container is full, you can lay another paper towel on the top so that it won't build up any more moisture. Then you can close this and save it in the refrigerator, and it will last for more than a week. That's all there is to it. Now you have a way to keep your salad greens fresh. This should last at least for a week. Be mindful of what you eat and enjoy.